Welcome to the second task for today, which is another two-way table and probability question. Okay, if you'd like to take a pause and have a go by yourself. And what this table is, so it's a table that shows all the year 7 and year 8 children and how they get to school in the morning. Some children go by car, some go by bus, and some walk. So you need to fill out the rest of the table and then answer the probability questions at the bottom. Okay, welcome back. If you gave this a go yourself, let us make a start. All right, so we already have a total. Let's look at the bottom row, okay? Let's fill in the bottom row. Now, we've got a total of 400 children in year 7 and 8, and all this row must add up to 400. So if you do 400, take away 300, and take away 30, what you will have is 70. So this 70 should go in here. So all that should add up to 400, okay? And also this column, these two columns here under walk, we're looking at the walking column, they should add up to 300. So if you take away 170 from 300, you will get 130. So you've got 130 year 7s who walk. And yeah, okay. Now the next one we're going to look at is, yeah, this column here. This column. We're looking at the car column, okay? Now this car column should add up to 30. The year 7 and year 8 in that column. So if you do 30 take away 20, what you will have is 10. So I'm just trying to tidy up this place. Okay. So what we have here is 10. 10 plus 20 should be equal to 30. Okay, now let's look at the top row, year 7 row. We have a total of 210 students in year 7. So it means that this row here should add up to 210. So if you take away 130 and take away 20 from 210, what you will have is 60. So 60 goes here. 60 year 7s take the bus. And then if you look at the middle row, the year 8 rows, actually, you know what? Let's look at this bus column. Let's look at the bus column. So we are looking at this bus column. 60, this two squares, or sorry, these two spaces should add up to 70. So that will give us 10. It's 10 that goes here, okay? And now let us find the totals of all the year 8. So you've got 10 year 8s that go by car. Let me just highlight that. In year 8, you've got 10 year 8s that go by car, 10 that go by bus, 170 of them walk. The total year 8s are 190. 10 plus 10 plus 170 is 190, okay? So that is our two-way table all filled in. Let me just tidy that up. So now let's answer our questions. A child is picked at random. When they are talking about a child, we are referring to all children, all right? So we are picking a child from all the year 7s and all the year 8s. So this is the total that we'll be looking at. This 400 is the total we'll be looking at. Now, work out the probability that they walk to school. So you're looking at all the children that walk to school, which is 300. So 300 out of 400 is your answer, is the probability. The probability will be 300 out of 400, okay? And if you want to simplify that, if you simplify that, that will be 3 out of 4. So that's the first one. Then let's look at the second question. A year 7 is picked at random. We are only looking at the year 7s. A year 7 is picked at random. So we are only going to look at the year 7s. So we are looking at this total, which is 210. 210 year 7s. There's a total of 210 year 7s. And what's the probability that they walk to school? 130 year 7s walk to school. So we want, these are the two figures we want. 130 out of 210. So that's 130 out of 210, because you're only looking at the year 7s, not all the children, only the year 7s. And if we simplify that, that will give us 13 out of 21. So that's the answer to both questions. Thanks for watching.